And then we get to Ignite Patch. Burn calories, deal with calories like never before. So listen, 45 days, mark the day. June 19, I just got off the big Zoom call with my research partners. Study's done. Highlights. Up to 25% more calories burnt at rest. Even more burnt during exercise with this patch. We see people, and the study shows, they're craving less food. Study shows that. They're burning more calories. Studies show that. The doctor who did it, Dr. Faison, inside scoop. This was supposed to be published 6 months ago, the study. She thought she did the study wrong. She did not believe the results would be what they were. She did it twice. Let that sink in. She is a digestive expert. She has a weight loss clinic. She's a metabolic expert. She said this is incredible. The results were so mind-blowing, she did not feel comfortable presenting them in a study. She said that she needed to do them again because she felt that perhaps there was an error made. That's what this is. So you keep your lifestyle as it is, you're going to burn 25% more calories every day than you would have without the patch. So if your average RMR is 2,000 calories a day, you put this on, you're going to burn an extra up to 500 calories a day. Extra. But now get this though. This is not a race to size 0. Why? Because size 0 might not be healthy for you. This is optimizing your metabolism for wellness and health. Does it make sense? It's going to help your body regulate its metabolic burn that's healthy for you, because your body knows what's healthy for it. That is way more important. You can be underweight and sick. You can be malnourished, thin, and sick. Okay? This social craze of vanity is making people sicker. You see now, Google, side effects of Ozempic, look out for the class action lawsuits coming. People have frozen stomachs, they can't process sugar, they can't process food. It's a disaster. I'm not surprised. You want to maximize your metabolism? You want to maximize your calorie burn and your energy burn? There you go. Study will show. I can say that because the study's done. It's just not published. It's okay. It doesn't need to be published. I can share those results with you. Mind-blowing stuff.